Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your plan supports visual voicemail and that your SIM is active. This avoids delays. Open the phone app and tap voicemail in the lower right corner. Once there, tap Setup Now and choose a 4-6-digit passcode you can remember. Make sure to store it securely because it protects your messages. Finally, choose Default or Custom Greeting when prompted. The next slide covers recording and personalization steps once those basics are completed. Once done with passcode, select Default or Custom Greeting, choose Custom to record your own message. Tap Record, speak clearly and concisely, state your name and a callback instruction, then tap Stop. You should play it back. If it sounds off, re-record until it's natural. After you save the greeting, check visual voicemail transcription settings in Settings if you want text previews of messages. Make sure notifications for phone are enabled so missed callers trigger voicemail recording and alerts. To finish, test the setup. Call your number from another phone and leave a test message, then open voicemail to confirm it appears. If you don't see messages, restart your iPhone and confirm the carrier's voicemail number is set under phone settings. Some networks require carrier activation. If problems persist, contact your carrier. There may be provisioning issues on their end. One tip: toggle airplane mode on then off to force network re-registration. This often resolves voicemail routing glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.